Getting a work visa to the United States involves several steps and requirements. The specific type of work visa you need will depend on your circumstances and the nature of your employment. Here are the general steps to obtain a work visa in the United States. 1. Find employment. First, you need a job offer from a U.S. employer who is willing to sponsor you for a work visa. You cannot apply for a work visa without a job offer. 2. Determine the appropriate visa type. There are several types of work visas available in the United States, such as H-1B, L1, O1, and more. The type of visa you need depends on your qualifications, the nature of your job, and the U.S. employer's needs. Consult with your employer's immigration attorney or an immigration expert to determine the most suitable visa category for you. 3. Labor certification. If required, some visa categories, like the H-1B, require the employer to obtain a labor certification from the U.S. Department of Labor. This process ensures that hiring you will not negatively affect the U.S. labor market. 4. File a petition. Your U.S. employer will file a petition with U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS, on your behalf. They will need to complete the appropriate application forms, pay the required fees, and provide supporting documents. 5. Wait for approval. USCIS will review the petition and, if approved, issue a Notice of Approval Form I-797. 6. Apply for a visa. After receiving the Form I-797, you can apply for a U.S. work visa at a U.S. embassy or consulate in your home country. The specific visa application process can vary depending on your home country and the U.S. embassy or consulate. 7. Attend an interview. You may be required to attend an interview as part of the visa application process. Be prepared to answer questions about your job, qualifications, and the U.S. employer. 8. Biometrics and medical examination. Depending on your visa category, you may need to provide biometric information or undergo a medical examination. 9. Background check. U.S. authorities will conduct a background check on your application. 10. Visa issuance. If your visa application is approved, you will receive a visa stamp in your passport, allowing you to enter the United States for employment. 11. Travel to the U.S. Once you have your visa, you can travel to the United States to start your job. 12. Maintain visa status. It's important to comply with the conditions of your visa, such as not overstaying your authorized period of stay and abiding by the terms of your employment. Please note that the specific requirements and procedures can vary depending on the type of work visa and your individual circumstances. It's highly recommended to consult with an immigration attorney or legal expert to navigate the process successfully and ensure you meet all the necessary requirements.